Did you know that caffeine is one of the most researched performance enhancers in the world? It's even approved by Olympic sports committees, just with limits. Welcome back to Coffee Minutes, the podcast where we mix coffee culture with productivity, personal finance, and everyday life tips. If this is your first time here, hit subscribe and join the crew. Today's episode is all about whether you should drink coffee before a workout and how to do it right. Let's be real, we all love a good energy boost before hitting the gym or going for a run. And coffee, with its caffeine kick, feels like the perfect pre-workout buddy. But what do sounds actually say? Let's break it down with 3 important points. First, coffee can improve physical performance. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system, which can make your body feel less fatigued and more alert. Studies show that caffeine can boost endurance, strength, and even reaction time. If you're lifting weights, doing cardio, or just trying to push through a long workout, having coffee 30 to 60 minutes beforehand might give you a real edge. Second, it can help burn fat, temporarily. Caffeine increases your metabolic rate and helps your body use fat as a fuel source, especially during aerobic exercise. That's why many fat-burning supplements include caffeine. It helps mobilize fatty acids into the bloodstream. But don't rely on it as a magic weight loss solution. Think of it as a mild assist, not a miracle. Third, watch for the downsides. Too much coffee can lead to jitters, an upset stomach, or even dehydration if you're not balancing it with water. It also depends on your caffeine tolerance. The ideal dose is around 3 to 6 milligrams of caffeine per kilogram of body weight. For most people, that's roughly 1 average cup of strong coffee. And timing matters. Don't drink coffee 5 minutes before lifting. It needs a little time to kick in, so aim for that 30 to 60 minute window. Also, keep your coffee clean before workouts. Skip the sugary lattes and cream-loaded drinks. A plain black coffee or espresso is your best pre-workout friend. If you're sensitive to caffeine or working out late at night, test how your body reacts. You don't want to be wide awake at 2 a.m. Want to go deeper into caffeine and workout strategies? Check out the curated book list in the description. These resources cover everything from sports nutrition to optimizing your energy. So, should you drink coffee before a workout? The short answer is yes, if it works for you. It can boost performance and endurance. It may help with fat utilization during exercise, but you need to watch your timing, dose, and how your body responds. If this helped you plan your next workout better, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for more helpful resources and my Ko-fi page where you can support the show. Have you tried coffee as a pre-workout? How'd it go? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for hanging out on Coffee Minutes. In the next episode, we'll look at the science behind why coffee shops actually make you more productive. Can't wait!